straight out of the oven. Really lovely and hot. Fantastic, creamy, beautiful potatoes. Okay, so very, very, very easy to make, but take a long time to cook. These are absolutely delicious. So we've got nicely thin sliced potatoes here with some spices, nutmeg, garlic, salt and pepper, and then cream. I'm using a little bit of cheese. Now I'm using cream. Some people use milk, some people use stock, but yeah, we're gonna go with cream today. I love this. Like I say, takes a while to cook, but very easy to get together. Let's get moving. Okay, let's look at our potatoes first. So the first thing you need to do is cut enough potatoes for the size of oven-proof dish you've got. Now, you can use glass, like I'm using, metal, or ceramic, that's up to you. But yeah, make sure it's filled up nicely like that. Next up, potatoes. Peel them, give them a wash, and then you've got to slice them really thin. Now, I mean thin like chips or crisps, whatever you call those. Now you can do that by hand, but it's quite difficult. I used one of these little fellas, which is easy, or you could, even easier, you could use a food processor. But yeah, doing it by hand, you're gonna find it really difficult to get it that thin. And also, they're all the same. All of these are cut exactly the same. Doing it by hand's a little bit hit and miss. So yeah, try and use something like a machine or something like that. Beautiful, that's done. Let's look at the other ingredients. So the other ingredients, we've got salt and pepper. We need to highly season this with salt and pepper. Garlic, as much or as little as you like, and nutmeg. I mean, that's quite a lot. I'm not going to use all of that. So next step is we're going to get all the potatoes in a mixing bowl, add some of this seasoning and give it a little mix up. Okay, so mixing bowl, salt, and like I say, heavily seasoned black pepper, nutmeg, and again you can decide on how much of this you want or you don't want in there, and the garlic. Hands in, give it a nice mix up there. Okay, so we've done a nice little mix there, and I've got them into my oven-proof container or dish. And what I've done is laid them down nicely. Do you know what I mean? Like when you saw it before, they were kind of thrown in, so they looked like they were up here. But what I've done now is put them in nice slices. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get some cream. You can be using any cream you want, a double cream, a single cream. I'm using here about 400 ml. You just basically need enough cream to sort of, so it goes through the pan and soaks in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn a little bit of cheese. You can make this without cheese if you want, and you can use any cheese you want really, no big deal. Now we're going to go for a little bit more nutmeg on the top, which is just for show really. Now, easy to make, takes ages to cook. So this is going to go in the oven, nice low oven. I'll put all the details, they'll pop up at some point now. But it's going to go in a nice low oven, maybe sort of gas mark 3, something like that equivalent, for about 1.5 hours, 1 hour 45 minutes. It's going in. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, and there you go. That's been in the oven for, well, my oven, about 1.5 hours. What we want to do now is get a knife and just pop that in. And that is absolutely perfect. Those potatoes are cooked really beautifully. And that is delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.